What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can register for Wells Fargo online banking account. Now with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And let's move on with the video now, shall we? First step, search for Wells Fargo register and click on versus enroll in Wells Fargo online. It'll bring you to this website. Over here, you want to fill up this form by entering your social security number over here and then enter your date of birth over here like this and then click on continue. And on the next page, it's gonna ask you for some more info, and after providing all the information, then a Wells Fargo account under that information will be created. So make sure to fill up the form correctly. Alright, so hope you guys understand on how you guys can register for Wells Fargo online banking account. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody, and I will meet you guys on my next video. Until then, peace out.